Welcome to the eBay BigCommerce Connector app by Commerce. Create template for BigCommerce eBay Connector. What is category template? Category templates streamline your product listings, making it easier for the customers to find what they are looking for. How to create a template? Let's start with the process of creating templates for the BigCommerce eBay Connector app. Go to the Category Template option. Click on the Create Template option. Enter a unique name for the product template you wish to create. Assign business policy by selecting your payment, shipping, and return policy. Browse and select the listing category for this template. Map eBay attributes with BigCommerce attributes or set a custom value. eBay product attributes are of two kinds. Required, these set of attributes are mandatory to be mapped with BigCommerce store product attributes. Optional, these are optional sets of attributes that you may or may not map as per your requirements. Click on Add Attributes for adding additional optional attributes. Next step is assigning rules to the template by creating a rule group or query for your products. Click on Override Listing if you want to override listings with already assigned templates. Match products by selecting the following option. Any condition to fetch the products fulfilling any of the conditions created. All conditions to fetch the products fulfilling all the conditions created. Click on Add More to add multiple conditions in the rule group. Click on Run Query to fetch the number of the products on the basis of the rule groups created. Select the View Products option to view the products affected by the rule groups created. Click on Save for successfully saving the template. Category template for your BigCommerce eBay connector is created successfully.